Yes, good afternoon, everyone. Today we have Piyush, Rajiv, Guddu, and Abhay have joined. Today's topic of discussion is deadline kills creativity. Previously, we have discussed about the some general topic which is related to the online, such as social medias and some political issues. But today's topic is something different. That is, if deadline kills the creativity. Who would like to put his opinion first? Abhay, can you tell your opinion? Are you ready?
Okay, let me try.
Yes, go ahead.
I am here to speak on the topic, does deadline kills creativity? So first of all, I think that time is very much important. So we should have a deadline. If a person will not have deadline, then he will take it casually. And every one of us knows that rarely, I don't think out of thousand, only one person I think are doing their job if they do not have any pressure from any side. Take example of us only. When we get a deadline that tomorrow we should submit the assignment, then we हम लोग रात भर जग के भी असाइनमेंट लिख लेते हैं पर but if we don't have any deadline, we are given time that I will take assignment after this semester or so long time, or the teacher doesn't says that when he will take, just he says that assignment is there and this assignment, then rarely I think any one of us will do the assignment. So I think deadline is very much important, but sometimes if the person knows that the work can be done in 15 days and if deadlines is of 1 day, then it become really hard. So if we decrease the deadline to very low limit, then the creative person can't do anything. And if a person also gets deadline about any work, then he should refer to his mentor or coach that I have this creativity, these ideas, so that if needed he can extend the time limit. He should complete the work in the time limit first, then after he should uh, approach to the leader or the मतलब जिन्होंने भी assignment दिया होगा, he should approach him that I have got some idea to change this and that. But yes, after all, deadline kills creativity. It is true, but if will be no deadline, then efficiency will be also less. And I don't think that anything is precious than time. So deadline is very much important, but at the same time it kills creativity. But if we don't have a lack of communication between the persons in a group and the leader who gave the deadline, then there can be creativity. I think if we should not have lack of communication between us. Lack of communication leads to confusion and it's only stops a person from his creativity. Thank you.
Yes, thank you, Abhay, for your point about the topic is deadline skills creativity. You highlighted the point how it skills creativity and how it is helpful for the uh, deadline is helpful for the creativity. So we have Kanhaiya also joined, Vivek joined, and Piyush joined. So can I make my point?
Yes, yes.
Yes, Mangalam, please.
Yes. Uh, yes. So today's topic is deadline skills creativity. So most of the time we often as a students we often face the deadlines. uh, uh, Suppose we have exams right now. We have to face 8 semester exam after 1 or 2 months. So till now we have not prepared so much. So when the schedule will come, then we will start the preparation. and we will prepare our topic till the examination will come uh, uh, in a uh, uh, in a efficient manner. Uh, there are various situations in which deadlines have uh, negative impact on creativity, and also it have positive impact on creativity. So a few months ago I was reading a book. You must have read the book name is Wings of Fire, written by the former president APJ Abdul Kalam. So yeah, there was a story written there that Abdul Kalam was given a task by I think Satish Dhawan there was certain task to complete it. So Satish Dhawan asked him, do you complete in 2 or 3 days? So he refused to do the task. He says that it is tough task, that so I can't do it in this deadlines. So Satish Dhawan told that you have only he just half the deadline, means suppose he have 3 days to do work, but Satish Dhawan says that you have to complete this work by tomorrow evening. So what happens? Kalam started working, and all night he worked, and he finished the work. It was a drawing of some aeroplane, aircraft design. I don't remember complete the story. And at the morning, just after morning, he finished the work. And when Satish Dhawan came to know, he appreciated. This is an example of deadlines by a famous person, Abdul Kalam. So I think in other hand, suppose if we develop a bad habit, suppose I have to go to the college at I have to reach at college at 10 p.m. 10 a.m. Okay. So to reach college or office at 10 p.m., I used to ideally I have to woke up at 6 or 7 a.m. and suppose I have to travel 1 hour by train. Okay, but since I have developed a bad habit of since I'm not punctual, so I used to wake up late, and I used to start travel late to the office or college. So what happens when we go to the uh, when we go to the station, we want to catch the train, which is train is already running, which may be harmful for us. It may lead to the accident. We will cross the railway patri instead of going to another platform by using the bridge. In this scenario, we have also to match a deadlines which is related to our daily activity. Means we have to reach the office at a particular time. But since we have developed a bad habit that we are not punctual, we are not sincere, so this is a negative impact of deadline, and it is due to the lack of punctuality, lack of sincerity. In interview, it is also most often it is asked that do you work under pressure? It is a common interview question. You can search on the Google. So most of the professionals work very well during the pressure. So it is also a personality type that some person can perform very well under pressure, while some person can't perform well under the pressure. So I think that if we are punctual, if we are punctual about the time, so most of the time we would not face that particular deadlines. For example, I am taking the example of 8th semester exam. So the exam will be held in probably August or whatever. Let us suppose after 1 month our exam will be held. So suppose if I were preparing the topic from the beginning of the semester, then by the proper strategy I will finish the topic. But since I have not prepared the topic earlier, so when the schedule will come, I will start preparing about the semester exam on a mission mode. So somehow I will prepare the examination topics, all the subjects, curriculum till the examination. But this is not under the means this is I think this doesn't fall under the that deadlines enhance creativity or kills creativity. It is due to that earlier we are not punctual. Uh, Schedule of exam came and we start preparation in the mission mode. So I think so. My conclusion is that there are some person who uh, means I want to say that deadline is useful for those person who are punctual and sincere. Okay, so I think this type of person will perform in both scenario very well. If they had deadline, then they will also perform very well. If they have not deadline, they will also perform the very well. So that's all from my side. Uh, so another is participants can go ahead with their opinion.
Okay, good to thank you, Mangalam. You have give a wonderful point that deadline kills the creativity. Okay, and I would like to invite Guddu Kumar to
Yeah,
put your point with us.
yeah. Thank you for giving me the chance and calling me to talk something up on this topic of kill- deadline kills creativity. So here we can say that the creativity we are talking about the creativity with respect to time. That how much a person is creativity and he can meet the deadline for their work or whatever the assignment he has given. So in some case deadlines is very necessary because without deadline we cannot be that much of effective and efficient, and we our mind will not be that type of will not be creative and the work will take some more time. So but in some cases where the scientific work is required, where some type of highly efficient, highly scientific work is there, the deadline should not be rude because creativity is something which doesn't come directly in my mind. It is the core idea, core thinking thought, so it may take some time. Yeah, but deadline is not completely negative because time is also precious, as previous speakers have said, and we should also keep the time in our mind without working because we are living in the competitive world. There are and time has value. We should always keep their work and complete their work in less time as much we can do. So deadline is something which is necessary in all the work and in every where and in every assignment deadline should be there. But yeah, it not be that much rude and strict. It must be flexible and according to the circumstances. Okay. And according to
Okay,
the
Guddu, thank you for your points.
no, I started reading the Mangalam what he has sent in the chat box. That's why I want to complete my. Yeah, according to the circumstances, we should give the extra time also with the deadline and what the assignment is given. But yeah, everyone give the deadline according to what we call calculation of the work time and workload. So we also get creativity and do the work under pressure in efficient manner. Yeah, this is from my side.
Thank you,
Good
Guddu, for
afternoon.
sharing your wonderful ideas about
Yeah.
creativity kills. Sorry, deadline kills creativity. I think Abhay is saying something. Please, Abhay, share your own opinion.
Yes, as previously told by everybody, I think deadline is necessary because we have time limit in our life and everything needs to be done at time because time is very much precious. But I think we are getting away from the topic. We are speaking on deadline versus efficiency, and we are not speaking on deadline versus creativity. It's a difficult topic to talk upon. I think deadline should be provided, and after once the work is completed within the deadline, the person can talk to his leader or anyone that I have these ideas and that ideas, or also before he can say, suppose I get deadline of 2 days, that in 2 days you have to build a motorcycle or anything, then I will share my creativity that I need some more time so that the motorcycle can climb upon the hilly areas and anything, any such thing which I think is beneficial. I can talk to my team leader, and if I talk, then I think if a person is creative, he can convince the team leader that yes, you will get benefited from my creativity, and he can get more time. I think we need a proper communication between leader and us to have creativity, and deadline doesn't kills creativity because it can be extended, and a creative people can work in pressure also, and he will suppose I don't get extended deadline, and if I really want my creativity to be known, then I will work day and night, and I will try that if deadline is of 2 days, then I will cover it in 1.5 days, and another half day I will add some creativity to it. So if you have really so much ideas and you want, मतलब आप यदि दिल से चाहोगे कि अचीव करना कि हाँ मैं ये क्रिएटिविटी करना चाहता हूँ, तो कोई भी डेडलाइन आपको रोक नहीं सकता, and deadline will also add pressure and will take out best out of you, and you will give not 100%, you will give 400% of you. If deadline is not given, then many I think almost out of 1,000 only one or except one or two, every person will be relaxed. Suppose I get a deadline that you have to do only one task in your whole life, then I will do it slowly. I will have efficiency up to 10% or somewhat around it. But if deadline is given, it will increase the efficiency, and at the same time, if we have strong willpower, then it will not affect our creativity, and also I think there should not be lack of communication. We should convince our leaders. Thank you.
Yes, Abhay, you have said right point and put that deadline is not matlab, means deadline should be flexible and according to the requirement, according to the idea which we have, which we are unable to complete in given deadline, we can demand him, sir, that provide give some time more and I will give you the best product which we give you in the your given deadline. Yeah, you have told a great thing that yeah, the deadline at some point of time doesn't kills creativity. If you are creative, can do your creativity, you can show your creativity after deadline too. Yeah, I think some other
But from
person
my
like,
opinion,
yeah,
if
please go ahead.
deadline is,
Yes, Piyush.
if there is no deadline, then people may like postponing the work, like we will do tomorrow, later tomorrow, and that's the company get a negative impact on their work, because our human lazy type that we work in to work later. any I should be uh, this type because if there is no deadline or there is no deadline of work, people can't work on a time like our semester exam. If until we have not any get of schedule of exam, we are not even know about the subject, which subject to in this semester, and we don't even know about any topic of the semester. But if there is a deadline come to us that after 1 week or 2 week there is exam schedule, then we are going to prepare, and we all know that we prepare very well in this week. So I think it's depend upon time and work and maturity of people, that how they handle the pressure and work of their deadline and how they utilize it. Thank you. That's all from my side.
Okay, thank you for making a wonderful points by Piyush Kumar. Deadlines. Without deadlines, anyone cannot do their work at the time, and the human nature is delaying. The human nature
Yes,
is
definitely.
delay the work. Okay, so very good points from Piyush. I would like to say something about each deadline kills creativity. So without deadline, as Piyush said, without deadline, anyone cannot do their work at a time. So deadline is important for any work, for in any company, or for with any of human beings. So human beings nature have a lazy nature, so deadline is important. But if we talk about the creativity on the work, so uh, I take an example of us in our college life. When our semester has came, then what will you do? What will we do? The we are not studying from before, as the semester started. We started the study hour when examination is near about 15 days, 10 days. Then we have started and thinking about what we have to do creative, so we can qualify the examination without any blog, any backlog. So this deadline helps us to make us creative. It do not kill our creativity. So I am in the मैं उसके पक्ष में हूँ कि डेडलाइन जो है वो क्रिएटिविटी को किल नहीं करता है. So
Yes, yes.
when we are studying, and done our syllabus in 15 days, but our syllabus is so high, because we cannot do the whole syllabus in 15 days, but we can summarize the syllabus and studies the main points, so that will help us to qualify the examination. So deadline is important, and we talk about in the company why deadline is important. So deadline, if deadline is not given by the senior, जो सीनियर होते हैं उनके द्वारा अगर डेडलाइन नहीं दिए जाए, then those employee does not work, they passes their time to take tea and coffee and talk on the phone calls and many fun type activity they are doing when the higher employee, when the senior employee has not stick. So the senior employee should have to stick in that manner. Therefore we can uh, we can create a productive work, and this is from my side. Thank you.
Yes, thank you, Rajiv, for your point. You
Okay.
highlighted the point about that how deadlines kills the creativity and how it is advantage for us. As human behavior is very complex, So we can't say that it kills creativity or it saves the creativity. I think Kanhaiya, are you available? If available, then go ahead with your opinion.
Thank you, Mangalam, for giving me this opportunity to sharing my opinion on the given topic, deadline kills creativity. So I think the very relevant topic of our life. We also face that such type of a problem in our life. So I think we cannot work under a pressure. No one want to work under a pressure. Then how we said that we will be creative under a pressure? Or second thing is chasing deadline makes us emotionally exhausted. No one's want to work under the pressure. So how someone will be creative under the pressure? Like take an example of a painter. He has given to, if he want to create a wonderful picture, a wonderful painting of anything, he will be free minded, and he cannot work under any pressure to do his work like painting. So I think an artist cannot be artist can't work under any pressure. So that's my all point on given topic.
Yes,
Thank you.
yes, Kanhaiya. But
Okay, Kanhaiya, I
you
agree
are
with your
talking
point.
about the painter, but
Yes.
you are a
See, our topic is
photographer, and
our topic is creativity, on creativity, not work.
yes,
So
yes,
no
yes,
one will be creative under any pressure.
yes.
He
But
can done his work under pressure, but can't be creative.
So Rajiv,
That's what I want to say.
discuss the topic later after this meeting will end, because we have only 9 minutes left and two speakers are still left to put their opinion. I would like to hear from Vivek. So Vivek, are you available here?
Yes, I am available.
Yes, please go ahead
Mangalam
with
ji,
your opinion, and after that, Law Prakash will speak.
thank you for giving opportunity to share my some point. Today our topic is deadline kills creativity. This is depend upon person to person. Some people want to work inside the deadline, but few people wants to work outside the deadline. Uh, it's depend person to person. When deadline is fixed, then person give 100% efficiency, and work is done is proper way. But some people is do not work in proper way. This is an example of deadline. COVID vaccine is come inside the deadline. This is a very big example of deadline. It's depend upon person to person. This is my first conclusion, and thank you.
Yes, thank you, Vivek.
okay,
If time will permit, then I will come to you again. Law Prakash, are you available?
Yes, I am available and my voice is clear. Please
Yes,
confirm.
audible clearly.
Yes, thank you for giving me opportunity. First of all, I think that we discussion about each deadline destroy creativity. तो I have opinion about yes and no. मैं दोनों के पक्ष में हूँ, because as we know that creativity, if we want to become creative, then we give the time for the some work. If deadline should be given by any company or organization, then we can in the pressure, हम लोग pressure में हो सकते हैं. But if first of all any company gives the deadline, So we can divide the work in some small parts. First of all, if I have a work in a large amount, first of all I choose a small m in given time frame, and think about that things, how to improve myself, how to design this work, how to doing these types of works. We can think that if we take all of work at a time, then it is impossible to take creativity at that time. If we take a small time frame, and if we do work, then definitely comes from in the given time frame. But I think that if I have a new startup or I have a new technology, in this canal scenario, deadline becomes negative impact in this situation, because we cannot compromise with quality and quantity, everything. I think that if a fresher a student or fresher man join a company, then deadline can create difficulty in मतलब deadline जो होगा उनके लिए difficult होगा. But I think that if an experienced person join a company or an organization, then deadline there is no issue about the creativity, because he has experienced many types of situation in their past experience. But I think if any fresher student join the company or any organization, then deadline may becomes a very difficult task for that man or employee. So it depends on the organization or which type of project by held by the company, which type of decision taken by the organization or CEO. Or I think that it also depends on the training, which type of training given by the company. If the quality and people of the organization have more skill, then I think that we can also perform work in given time frame with more creativity. So there is many things depends on the situation and organization. But finally I conclude my points that if time frame given by the any freshers, then it kills, I think, creativity. If we gave the freedom of that fresher person, then I think his creativity comes in the picture and definitely do for best for organization. And if a experienced person comes in the organization, definitely they might not big issue for that man or employee. So this is the so I finally, yes, creativity if given by if time frame given, deadline given, then it kills creativity for the freshers and not for experienced person. This is the my points and my view on this topic. Thank you.
Yes, thank you, Laprakash, for your point. You highlighted the point about the it varies from individual to individual. For a fresher, it may prove it may be harmful, while for a experienced professional, it will be helpful for them to meet the deadlines and with creativity. So we have only a few minutes, around 4 minutes left. So I will take a brief comment from. Yes,
I
Rajiv.
am adding a point that is
Rajiv, go ahead.
if we fix a deadline, suppose we fixed a deadline and many fresher cannot complete their work at the deadline, but its skill Law Prakash and many others talk about the deadline kills creativity. But I give a point that is when we have a same type of work, so we can reduce the killing of creativity, like we create such type of template that will help us to make the work continuously. So अगर हम किसी एग्जांपल का बात करें, तो जैसे कि we see in the news industry, they create a video at the instant time and they play videos on live, but there will no reduction of creativity. All the creativity shows on their television. So that at the time frame, fixed time frame, they can create a creative videos and posting at the instant time. So we can say कि deadline does not kill the creativity.
Yes, thank you, Rajiv, for your point. You highlighted the point about how some industries need creativity within the deadlines. So we have only 3 minutes left. So I want to take a brief comment of 30 seconds of comment from Vivek and Piyush, and at last, Guddu will conclude the session. So Vivek, are you available? Please turn on your camera.
Okay. Yeah.
Yes. Piyush.
Okay, I want to share that as Law Prakash and Raja had told us that deadlines will kill the creativity. But as a fresher, if any company get any freshers and they just say that do this work, and the fresher don't know that how much time I had to finish or how much in days we have to finish, then they mainly make their time pass there. They work there. They work in an effective manner. And I also agree with tough deadlines may kill creativity, but I think responsibilities like we to work on a month also definitely give creativity to that company. So that's all from my side.
Yes, thank you, Piyush, for your point. It has both impact, positive and negative. Life is also a deadline. We have only 70 years of lifespan. Vivek, are you available? Yes, please give your comment on this topic. You have only 30 seconds.
Mangalam. No experiences to creativity, then these have lots of problem facing, just like studying field, and any field to studying field, any field, they depend upon their creativity and mind level. This depend upon mind level. Fresher student have lots of problem to deadline, because they have no idea to study into deadline, inside the deadline. They have faced lots of problem, and that's all my point.
Yes, thank you, Vivek.
But I think
Yeah.
fresher will also
Okay,
create
I will
a great
conclude.
opportunity. Yes.
We are running out of time, so
Yes.
Rajiv will conclude the session. You have only 10
Okay.
minutes.
Okay.
Deadline will force us to complete at a time. So deadline at a time. So